Hello everyone, I am PD with you in room 32. Today we learn how to use alignment parameter in block editor to arrange furniture layout in AutoCAD. Here I am opening a already composed AutoCAD drawing. Here you can see. First copy a furniture from this plan. I am copying bed. Now draw some line in different direction. First I will show you what we typically do. After that I will show you my way. Normally we copy a furniture, place it, then rotate it. I think it's a boring work. Here we have done. Generally we do like this, but now I am showing how you can easily do this. First go to block editor. Here you can find alignment. Click on alignment. Set a alignment point you want to align. Close block editor. Now select the bed. You can find the alignment point. Now you can easily align it selecting the alignment point. Alignment point will help you align the furniture with a line. Now you can easily align the furniture with wall or any other line. So everyone, I think it's easier than the typical way. Just use alignment to align your furniture. I think it will save your time. So everyone, keep watching room 32. Keep practicing, enhance your skills. I will be back very soon with a new video.